In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset a Motorola Moto G Play smartphone. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to fully power the phone off. To fully power the phone off, you need to press and hold down the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the phone powers off, and then you can let go of both of the buttons. Okay. Okay, now let go of the buttons, and the phone is now fully powered off. Okay, with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Okay, now let go of both of the buttons. Using the volume down button, go to recovery mode. Press the power button. The next thing you need to do is press and hold down the power button, and while holding down the power button, press the volume button. And after pressing the volume up button, you can then let go of the power button. Okay. Using the volume down button, go to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power button. Using the volume down button, go to Factory Data Reset. Press the power button. Press the power button.
Hello, Moto.
And there you go. The hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video. And thank you for tuning in.